I'm Dory with the blog This Full Life 5, and today I want to share with you how we created this grid accent wall for my daughter's room. But first, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we're coming out with new material all the time. So, this grid accent wall, we decided that we wanted a focal point in her room. We were giving her room a makeover. She was ready for kind of a big girl room. She's in that middle space right now. She's getting ready to turn 11, so she's not quite a teenager, but she's getting older, and she was kind of growing out of that little girl space, and so she didn't want the purple anymore, and her carpet was gross and all of those things, and so it was just time. And so as we were planning out her room, we decided that we wanted a focal point, an accent wall, just kind of a point of interest, and so we decided to go with a grid accent wall. So we started by measuring the wall, and then we decided we wanted to go 4 squares across and 3 down. So we measured the wall accordingly, and then we went and purchased the materials. We purchased 1x4s to make the pattern, 1x4 pine boards. You could also do MDF boards if you wanted. That would be a little bit cheaper. It ended up costing about $100 for the wood to do this project. And so we started by painting the wall. I wanted it to be green. The rest of her walls are a different color, but for this accent wall we chose green, and so we used Behr paint, and I'll link all of the colors below. But we painted the wall green. First it took 2 coats of the green, and then my husband made all of the cuts for the grid pattern, and he attached all of the boards using a nail gun. Once all the boards were attached, we went back and filled in the gaps with wood filler. We allowed it to dry and we sanded that down. Once that was ready to go, it was time to paint the boards. We gave each board 2 coats of the green paint as well, and this was the finished look. Project gave this room a high-end look for around $100, so you can't beat that, and we love how the wall turned out. My sister-in-law was here recently, and she came in, and when she saw the wall for the first time, she said, "It's amazing how just a few pieces of wood can make it look so expensive and so good." So we love how it turned out. We're excited about this project, and I'm excited to show you how the rest of the room turned out when we do her room reveal. But until then, visit us on the blog at thisfulllife5.com, and we will see you soon.